Welcome to Expert Answers. Today we're going to talk about finding the right accountant to represent you when you have IRS tax debt. Like any important choice, there can be an overwhelming number of options, and often the flashiest choices aren't necessarily the best for your business. Learning what to avoid is just as important as learning what to seek out. For instance, stay away from the national pop-up tax prep chains. Their business is seasonal, and their staff is generally not trained for complex matters.
I'm gonna have to ask my manager.
Also, avoid attorneys offering assistance. They're expensive, and unless there's a criminal factor involved, and there generally isn't, your debt won't require an attorney. Besides, attorneys often farm out the accounting and tax prep work anyway.
I'm gonna have to ask my accountant.
And definitely avoid anyone who claims they can settle your debt outright. In cases where debt is forgiven, the taxpayer must prove beyond a shadow of a doubt that they can't afford to pay. Most taxpayers don't qualify for this, but that won't stop unscrupulous firms from taking your money and filing a settlement request that is doomed to fail. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. After all, debt doesn't just disappear.
Presto!
So those are 3 things to avoid. Here's what you should look for. First, establish credentials. EAs or enrolled agents are licensed nationally by the IRS itself. CPAs are certified public accountants who have been licensed in their individual states. And NCPI fellows are confirmed to be knowledgeable in IRS problem resolution by the National Tax Practice Institute. The right credentials will signify that your accountant knows precisely how to resolve your situation with the IRS. You can always refine your search on Google. Look for accountants with both a 5-star rating and more than 50 5-star reviews. But the most important thing is to find someone with extensive experience resolving problems directly with the IRS. There are millions of accountants out there who excel at tax returns and bookkeeping, but not IRS resolution. When dealing with IRS tax debt, you need a representative who can give you peace of mind while navigating that specific world. Call Fix-It Accounting today to work with enrolled agents licensed by the IRS with more than a decade of experience resolving tax debt. Fix-It has the proven knowledge to take all the stress out of your finances. Your initial consultation is free with no commitment, and we're happy to help.